Hello, 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 beautiful soul. May you be doing well wherever you are in this moment. Welcome, welcome, welcome to day 6 of the Sacred Sound Share. Today we're focusing on the frequency of peace. So if you could use just a moment of peace in your life right now in this moment, which all of us could use, but if you are ready to claim that for yourself, to have this moment of peace and to stretch that moment into many more moments, this message is for you. We are channeling a beautiful sacred sound for peace today. Peace of mind and heart. Okay? You need that moment. Here it is. Take it for yourself because it is here for you. Deep breath in through the nose. Out through the mouth. Let's ease those racing thoughts, worries, concerns about A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and how it's going to get done. It's going to get done. May peace find you here in this space, in this moment. This is for you. Another deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Etrosi triashaka ethrum, pakaina triasanaye. Peace be with you. Peace go with you. Peace stay with you. Takaithros otosi triashaka etrum, pakaithromaye. And until next time, dear ones, bye-bye.